guys, welcome back to Myra's studio. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch this tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how I installed this kinky straight from Lanolin hair. I washed my hair a night before this protective style, and after that I did single threading. So I'll go ahead and unravel each strand, then apply the CoCoblack hair growth butter. The single threading helps to stretch out your natural hair and also makes it easier to detangle. So after applying the cream, I'll take my comb and detangle the hair. This is the hair growth butter from CoCoblack. Don't worry, I'll put the link down below in the description box for you, okay? Now guys, so for the front of our natural hair, I'm gonna take my comb and remove some of my hair in a circular form all the way to the back. Then I'll hold the chunk of hair I have upwards with my butterfly clamps and put the hair I just removed into cornrows. Guys, I'll start the main cornrows, so I'll put the entire chunk of hair into cornrows. I'm not going for a perfect cornrows because in the end it is going to end up being covered with the extension. However, if you don't know how to cornrow, I have a cornrow tutorial here on my channel, so I'll put the link down below in the description box for you so that you can click and watch and also learn, okay? Guys, so what I'll do next is to also part a straight line here, on the left corner of my head, and put that side into one cornrow. Guys, the reason why I put the hair I remove in a circular way and this side into cornrows is because after installing the extension, I can blend my natural hair with the extension. You don't worry, you will understand when we get there, okay? Alright guys, so after the cornrows, I'll put the ends of the cornrows into two braids and grab my crochet hook. Then I'll pass the ends of both through the cornrows with the help of the crochet hook. So after that, I'll oil my scalp with my Lanolin oil from CoCoblack and my hair oil to keep my scalp moisturized. Now let's install the Lanolin Afro Kinky Straight hair. This is in the color 1. It's 2 in a pack. I use 2.5 pack. So I will remove one of the hair from the pack and cut it into 2 equal halves. Then I'll place the half on the cornrows in or at the back of my head and start sewing with my hair needle and thread. Guys, please be extra careful here so that you don't hurt yourself with the needle, okay? Guys, so after sewing, then I'll cut the excess extension with my scissors. Guys, I'll keep attaching and sewing until the hair is full. For the front, I won't sew but rather grab my hair glue, put the glue on the hairband and place it gently here. I did that for the other side too. Guys, so after installing, then I'll unravel the cornrows, then brush the hair together with the extension. This will also prevent the cornrows at the back under the extension from showing when I hold all the hair upwards, and also do the same for the cornrows in front. Guys, it didn't appear well since it's my first time of installing this hair, so next time I'll try and make it more presentable and then apply my hair mousse. So I'll make sure my edges are well clean with the help of my eco styling gel and this new edge brush I got from my beauty supply store. And then I'll hold this side with a bobby pin and then hold all the hair backwards with an elastic band. It was getting late, so I had to rush to bed and I did my makeup the following morning. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Please comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. 150 subscribers. Thank you so much. Yay, let's hit 200. Okay, thank you. Bye bye, stay safe. Kiss. Mwah.